Yeah, okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you're joining, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you recommend this live stream to your friends and people around you, your family, if possible. Let's get started. Let me quickly share the link. I'm actually monitoring that trade to come to my entry. Okay, so okay. I'm sharing the link. Okay. What's happening on BTC? Your location and where you're joining us from is very important. Okay. Kindly drop your name and the location when you are joining us from. Okay, that's important right now. Hey, see, this team want to do the same thing you did yesterday. Oh. If you are not going to come to our POI, then I'm going to use a confirmation to cash you. But the thing is just as saying, I'm not saying what I like here. I'm not saying what I like here. So this market might still come down. I'm not saying what I like here. No, 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 no. This move is not healthy. This is just a manipulative move. It's still gonna come and clear everybody here. So let's stick to our POI. Let's stick to our POI. Let's stick to our POI. What's happening on BTC? Okay, we had a setup already that BTC is approaching. We had a setup that BTC is approaching. So but as at the moment, I'm not seeing anything interesting on BTC. So I'm not seeing our simple concept on BTC. Okay, so before we start properly, Richard from Delta State. Okay, where is Epa Christian from? Where are you chatting us from? Where are you joining us from? So I need to give a review about yesterday trades. Yesterday was a loss day as far as I'm concerned. We had losses back to back yesterday.
Welcome to you. Valid product.
Okay, so AUD USD GU. Okay, I have this setup on GU also. I have this setup on GU. Oh, can you kidding me? Look at this thing again. So if this trade, you can see this is the same thing that happens on gold and GBPJPY yesterday. This has actually came here to take out the inducement, and for you to take out the inducement and leave like that, this setup is not valid anymore. This setup is not valid anymore. I wouldn't say because this one now, this one came, this was what actually made me took some trade yesterday, and at the end of the day we took loss because clearly the inducement I was anticipating has been taken and the market didn't tap into our POI and went straight to TP. So The same thing here, it took out the inducement, didn't come to our POI, went to TP. Now this one, after went to TP, came back again, went to another TP. So it was because of this that I allowed us to took yesterday the XAUUSD that later resolved to loss for us. You see that you will agree with me that this inducement has been taken, and the moment you took out the inducement, you can see that TP has been smashed already. So this is where this setup has been invalidated. Okay, so this is what invalidated this setup yesterday. So for the fact that this has been taken and then TP has been smashed, it has broken structure to the downside, then it is invalid. The same thing happened on GBP/JPY yesterday. You agree with me that the moment this inducement was taken out, can you see that this trade just went down? It's broke structure before. So with this move, we have already, this setup is already invalidated. This was what gave us our 2 losses yesterday. This was what gave us our 2 losses yesterday. So, and why I don't usually take that kind of risk. I took it because of what I saw on GU, because market is dynamic, but it no work. The fact that I play out on GU doesn't mean it will always play out. Now look at this setup that I've been waiting for. Market came, took out the inducement, and it didn't even tap into our POI, and then now it has sold off. It has even smashed TP. If to say I was monitoring this trade on 1 minute, let me see if I'll get a confirmation to enter this trade. Okay, so there's high chances that I'll get a confirmation because I'll use this POI. I don't know if it tap into the POI. Let me check, because after getting that break of structure to the downside, it didn't come. You can see it didn't come. This is where I will have wait for to tap into this trade, but the market just shy off it and then sell off. You can see. So to miss a trade is better than to lose a trade, of course, but we always catch up with our trades. That's the most important thing. So right now, this setup here, me will not take it anymore unless I see confirmation. I will not take it anymore unless I see confirmation. No pending order anymore. So, but this one here is still very, very active and valid. This one below here, I hope it's going to come into our POI. Okay, so GBP/JPY, I am anticipating that it's going to tap into here. We are going to reclaim that setup that was invalidated yesterday. Is going to come and reclaim it. So that's why we are positioning ourselves for this buy right now. Okay, so moving on, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we took that losses yesterday was those reasons. Euro USD, I guess this morning is when I'll be removing Euro USD from my watch list. I've removed it from my watch list. This pair is annoying me. It's annoying me, ladies and gentlemen. I don't like when the pair is doing like this. So later I might look at it, but I don't want to see it on my watch list for now. So now USD/JPY, what's USD/JPY doing? USD/JPY, this trade is still active, ladies and gentlemen. It has not even hit us out, and it's still doing this even though I'm out. But I'm just waiting for the next move that USD/JPY wants to do. With the way it did this right now, if I see this market break below, especially now took out this low, then I'll be positioning for another sell. So XAUUSD, this loss was very, very painful to me yesterday. I couldn't even position myself for this reclaiming, and it just went off like that. But it's fine, absolutely fine. It is normal for that kind of thing to happen. What's that? So no valid setup yet on gold. No valid setup yet on gold, but still on still. Let's see. DBPJPY, we know what we are waiting for. Hopefully it's coming to activate for us. CHFJPY. This kind of look juicy. It kind of look juicy. Yeah, it kind of look juicy. But do I want to take it? Do I want to take it? Let's go to 15 minutes. Not that juicy. Anyway. But this trade might play out, trust me. It might. Do we have a smart money reversal here? Yes, we have. We have a smart money reversal down here. We have a break of structure right here. So this as the inducement. So just like GBPJPY, this one too is coming. If it comes here, where will our stop loss be? Oh, Charlie, the stop loss is very tricky. This trade can be taken on maybe on confirmation anyway, but I don't feel like taking it. It can be taken based on confirmation, because where to put my stop loss, it will be very wide. So BTC, nothing special. We have a setup that we're anticipating it's come and activate for us. Ethereum, nothing serious. Yeah, nothing serious on Ethereum too. Come on, go to 1 hour. Are you kidding me? What are you doing here? So I don't know, something might push Ethereum back up, but I just don't like it. Something might push it back up, but I just don't like it. Okay, we might see it start going back up from here, but I don't like it. AUDJPY, what's going on? AUDJPY has come to take out this eye. Let's see if it's going to close below and see if there's any opportunity for us, but right now nothing serious. So I think I've gone through all this watch lead that we have right here. DBPJPY, be a good boy today, okay? Be a good boy today. Okay, who do we have here? We have Richard from Delta State, Ekpa from Edo, Mr. Suraj from Edo State. So we have 2 Edo people here. Edo people are dominating. So I explained the reason why we took losses yesterday. So, and that thing will avoid it henceforth. Now, when you take losses is very, very normal in the market, but when you take them, you should learn from it. So the lesson I derived from it was that our inducement has been taken and it has even gone ahead to break structure. Both GBPJPY and gold, inducement was taken and structure was taken. So that is what invalidated. The same thing on gold. Inducement was taken, break of structure happened. But what actually tricked me, I don't take trade like that. Once I see it, I just forget it. The reason why I took it was because of GBP USD that actually came and after it is still play out. So I thought this one to do it because the market is down, but I think I'm going to just be sticking to, once the inducement is taken, take our POI, fine. If you not take our POI, we wait for another setup. Of course, we'll see our own setup. We've been having winning back to back, so we have edge. Okay, so that's that about that. Let's hope GJ will activate for us and throw us in good profit this morning. Okay, so having said that, do you have any question? If you have not smashed the like button, kindly do that now. Mr. Richard, Mr. Ekpan, Mr. Suraj, other people that are here that have not actually message, let me know where you are joining us from and smash the like button. And if you have any question, this is the best time to actually drop your question. That's number one. Number two, kindly drop 2 different pairs that you want me to look out for today. Oh, my big madam is here. Oh, Madam Juliana from Last Giddy, right? From Last Giddy, right? Yesterday, somebody said we should look at S&P 500. Yeah, that trade messed up. I see it. You see, so this is why I call this play confirmation inducement. After giving us a confirmation here, it still came again and took out this low before it broke structure to the upside and still come down. So the one that is very, very certain, like the one that will give you peace of mind, is this extreme POI. This same thing has happened to me before on DJ. This same thing has happened to me before on DJ. Here is it. This trade, I took loss on this trade because this is midpoint POI. If you see a midpoint, if there's a POI at the midpoint of a, how do we call it now? This is an incomplete pullback anyway. It's an incomplete pullback. So, but of course, market might just pick it up from there and go, but the probability of it is not high as the probability of the extreme. You can see I took loss on this trade, but I made my money back on this trade, plus more profits. So that's the same thing that happens here. It is a midpoint POI. So, but the one that will give you peace of mind is the extreme one. Okay, so all these things, when you know them, even when you take loss, you just be like, okay, we move. Then because you know that certainly you will definitely bounce back up. Okay, so that's that about that. Okay, anticipating for DJ big time. So now I said you should drop 2 different pairs that I don't have on my watch list. Let's quickly look at it together. Everybody here should suggest 2 different pairs. Any pairs that I don't have on my watch list. Let's quickly do the chart breakdown together and see if we have an opportunity. I've gone through all my own right now because it doesn't take time. Within 5 minutes, I've gone through all my peers. I've seen if there's an opportunity. I've seen the one to wait for. I've seen the one to just ignore. And that's all. Like, come on, this life makes sense. So one would just be this kind of lifestyle makes sense. Just pray for money. Pray, just be consistent with it. Before you know it, start making some good money, and then life becomes more easier and easier, because all you just need to do every day to make your money is just spend less than 30 minutes on the chart. And especially if you are trading a system like me, you don't have to stress over anything. You come into the chart in less than 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You've seen everything that you want to see. You've set your pending order, and then you just forget it. All you just need to see is that, okay, maybe check your trade. Has it activated? Has it invalidated? That's all you just need to check, maybe once in a day, and then you move on. And one day, it has happened to me severally that I'll just wake up in the morning and I'll just check my chart and I've hit TP. It has happened. Like that it just make your day. You're just going to be happy, like, wow. Like, while I was sleeping, I was making money. Okay, Mr. Suraj, I said 2 pairs. So suggest the second one. Madam Juliana suggest the pairs. Mr. Richard suggest yours. Mr. Christian suggest your pair. Let's quickly do that. If you have not smashed the like button, please do that. Richard, have you done that? Mr. Christian, Madam Juliana, I can trust you on that. I have USDJPY actually. I have USDJPY on my watch list. I need you guys to smash the like button. It's very interesting. It's very, very important. Okay. Okay, let me just do GP odd and GBP cards, US 30 and Nasdaq. Okay, come and activate for us. Not only do you activate and go straight into TP. I've actually set my limit on this trade and I'm showing you guys too now, so I'm out for because we took loss yesterday doesn't mean we will not take profits today. We'll take profits. Our system have edge, so we've always been taking profit before now too. Was it GBP card? Okay, I like when pairs are moving in volumes. It makes sense. Let's look at it from bigger time frame. Okay, obviously we are on an uptrend. Obviously, as this high been taken out, wow, it has been taken out. So therefore, Charlie, this is weekly time frame, but those early forex that we learn, break and retest, continuation, it happen for smart money too. They happen like that, but it's just dynamic. The way it happens is dynamic. Okay. Okay. This pair right now, does it take out liquidity? Yes, it did. It took out liquidity, and now you want to continue going up. On weekly time frame, what does this thing look at? It look like a liquidity. Okay. Now on 4 hours time frame, where is the liquidity it took? It took out this. See, now I'm almost done with my top down analysis. It took out this liquidity. Okay, so after taking out this liquidity, it has broken structure to the upside. Hey, let's look at that structure very well. Has it broke? Yes, it has broke with body candle, but we don't have an inducement yet. Going to 1 hour's time frame. Charlie. Okay, the only thing I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing an inducement on 1 hour's time frame, but that inducement is here. Okay, so we have an inducement. But this inducement have inducement. This inducement have inducement. So let's go to 15 minutes. Let's see what all these guys are talking about. Okay, nothing is making sense here. So giving us a vibe that we are going to be. You're right. Okay, so nothing is making sense. So now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Our POI is there. Our POI is here. Here is it. Ladies and gentlemen, we just got ourselves a trade. Okay, we just got ourselves a nice 1 to 2. Yes, where is our stop loss? Yes, our stop loss is reasonable where it is. It's reasonable where it is. So, Mr. Suraj, be like saying now you go to suggest pair for me now. Are they always they vibe the PS they suggest? So even me, I'll be entering this trade. Even me, I'll be entering this trade. Okay. So GBP card, I'll be entering this trade, and I will just another thing I can do is just to add it to my watch list currently, so that I can keep my eye on it. GBP card. Mr. Suraj, your mouth, your head did here. So let's just keep eye on this. See, I'm done with my top down analysis and I've got my trade set up. Just waiting. Oh wow, did he activate for us? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Come on. Remain small. Remain small. As often can you actually should have activate for me on another broker. Come on, man. Let me confirm. I don't know. I'm going to 1 hour's time frame. I don't know if okay. Charlie. Let me check my phone. Okay. Let's do it like this. Okay, so let me quickly check my phone. Let's see. Come on, man. This thing did not activate for me. Oh. I'm gonna talk to Ram. Oh. But I will not chase it. Actually, I will not chase it. If I see a confirmation, I will now use confirmation to enter. But I will not chase it. I will not chase it. I will not chase it. What do I want to do? To charge my phone. Okay. So it has not activate for me actually, because you can see it has not even activate for what we have here. So let me just wait. It might still come, and if it didn't come, if I see a confirmation based on maybe 1 minute time frame or so, I might take it. But anything that let me just tell you what can invalidate this trade for me to delete my order. Anything that make this I to be taken out, this I right here, if this I has been taken out, then I'm not interested if the trade comes back anymore. I'm not interested if this trade comes back anymore, if this I is taken out. Okay, so I'm sure one of my accounts, this trade should have activated. One out of the 3 accounts. The remaining 2, there's likely the 2 have not been activated. Okay, anyway, so let's move on. I have my alarm there, so let's move on. After the GBP card, GBP odd. Okay, let's look at GBP odd. GBP AUD. So what do we have on GBP AUD? Similar to what we have on GBP card. Okay, so what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen? The same thing as this eye been taken out? No. So that's what makes the difference. This eye has not been taken out, but this has been moving on an uptrend. So okay, let's investigate further. What's going on here? Low, high, low, high, low, high, broke structure. Okay, both internal and external structure. Okay. Okay. Based on daily time frame. Okay, we are on daily time frame before. Am I seeing anything interesting right here? Because this point that this market is based on the fact that it has not taken out that previous high, this might be a trade zone. That this high that we have here, going to weekly time frame, this high that we have here might want to send this pair back down. Even though it's on an uptrend, you might want to send it back down. So at this point it's tricky, and when it's tricky, you just stick to what is clear. Okay, this 4 hours time frame, we have a push to the upside, high low, I have a manipulation here. I took out this high. Okay, it's playing out already. This trade has played out. How? Why? We have a manipulation here. Like, when you know what you are looking out for in a trade, you don't have to stress at all. It doesn't mean you will not take loss. Losses sometimes, few loss. You know that you'll be taking losses back to back, then you need to go back to your drawing board. Oh, the break of structure here, I did not like it. It's tricky. The break of structure here is not solid. I will not take this trade if I were to see it. Yes, it's playing out currently because it took out this inducement, and ladies and gentlemen, it has moved. You can see it took out that inducement and it has moved, and it has even went to break structure above. So nothing more, unless, okay, I think I'm seeing another interesting thing. So this one is inducement. What are you putting? This one is inducement. Okay, so now this inducement that was taken, and then this guy came, yes, he used this POI, and then now we have a move to the upside. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen, we have another setup. Just like this setup begets this setup. This setup begets this setup. So we have a break of structure to the upside there. We have our inducement, but this inducement, I don't know if it is valid yet. Unless we investigate. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame to investigate. Oh, Charlie, nothing. I don't like this. Yes, the market might respect it. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Oh, Charlie. Be me and you know, say this market is there's no a clear fair value gap here. Clear. It might play out, but the chances of it playing out is slim. Ladies and gentlemen, this market seems efficient. The chances is slim, so I will not take it. It might play out, but I personally will not take this kind of trade. Just like I said, I will take that GBP card, but this, no. Okay, so moving on, ladies and gentlemen. What are you doing? Are you kidding me? Come and activate for me. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we have to look at what next are we looking at. I have a lot to learn. I don't even understand how you got your entry on that GBP card. Baba, don't worry, you don't pay for mentorship now, don't worry. That guy, in fact, you personally, I'm interested. Like anything wey I know, I go just make sure say I download and give you. Papa, you too sure, Mr. Suraj? No worry, no worry. April is here already by the grace of God. If you have not paid for your mentorship, yesterday I said it. If we end this live session, our discount will end because we announced that discount on this live session yesterday. So let's say by 10 or 12 today, how many people want the discount? Let me even see if the people that are here want me to give a discount on the ongoing mentorship that is coming up. Let's see. How many people want the discount? How many people want the discount? Tommy. Okay. Moving on. If you want the discount, let me know. How many people want the discount? Yeah, you are seeing the discount on your screen right now. How many people want the discount? If you want the discount, let me know. If you want me to give a discount on this, let me know. We did a discount yesterday. The discount is still running. Who is interested in the discount? Let me know right away. Before I go into US 30 and NASDAQ. GJ. Oh, why did I even choose this lowest entry like this? So GJ, I need that money, man. Now small account now you activate for. You have not activated for the account that I'm rooting for big time. Of not, I believe it will still come down, at least to activate for me, because there's one thing about inducement. Once market has cash what it needs to cash, the movement will be different. It will move fast to the upside. Trust me, the movement will be different. So all this thing that is still doing, I believe that it's still going to come down. I believe, because once the market has picked what it needs to pick, it move like it doesn't even wait, it just move like that. And this one too can just go, but if you go, okay, let me share my screen so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So right now, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for this eye to be taken out. If this eye is being taken out, we have a proper break of structure right here. I might reposition myself to take entry from here, provided that I see what I'm supposed to see. But right now, there's nothing I'm seeing. Nothing is interesting here. Trust me, nothing is interesting here yet. So because it's not interesting yet, it's what is giving me confirmation that it still will come down. But if I get a momentum to break this eye, then trust me, this market will pull numbers. It will pull. So this is what I'm just waiting for. I'm just trying to use 1 minute to get an extra confirmation entry. Okay, What pair? What other pair are we waiting for? What other pair are we waiting for? GBP USD. Okay. So okay, so actually people are not talking about the, you guys are not interested in the discount yet, okay? So fine. By 10 or 12 this afternoon, the discount will definitely end. The discount will definitely end by 10 or 12 this afternoon. It's almost 10 now. So by 12 it will end, just like that's half of the day. So now let's quickly look at US30 and Nasdaq. What do we have on US30? What do we have on US30? I think I checked US30 the other time. Okay, US30. We have a setup awaiting for us on US30 and it is yet to activate. It is yet to activate. So let's hold on. So not that, this is what we have on US30. Mass. Okay. Charlie. Oh, you can see what I was talking about. I didn't even know. We have analyzed this and see the way the market violate it. It did not even respect it. Did not even respect it. And that's because this market have, what's it called? Extreme that he wants to come and respect. So he's coming for this one. Of course, it will still come and reclaim this. It doesn't just invalidate a clear setup like this. So anytime you see market invalidate a clear setup like this, trust me, it's coming back to reclaim it. Let's see, has he even reclaimed it? Okay. After validating it, it has come to reclaim. It has come to reclaim. It might still reclaim it again, but it has come to do the reclaim. You can see after invalidating this setup, it came back to the same POI that he validated and then now do the print the sell. So that is one thing about the smart money. If you have a clear setup that the market invalidates, the market will come and reclaim it. All this I'm going to be teaching in the mentorship. Okay, how you can now reposition yourself for it. So I think that's that about that. DJ is like moving up. So Madam Juliana, have you seen what you're looking out for? Mr. Christian, have you seen it? Mr. Suraj, have you seen the pair you want me to actually look out for you for? So any questions so far? Any question? Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Oh man, this trade. Oh. Thank you. NEPA don't carry light go now. I'll have to go and on the inverter. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Any question? Any question? Any question? Is my internet good at all? Are you guys hearing me at all? Are you guys with me? Is my internet good? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see my screen? Is my internet good? Okay, there's a lot of questions. I'm waiting for the right time to ask. Mr. Suraj, I got you. I got you. By the grace of God, I got you. Oh, Mr. Richard, you did there. Okay. So the discount will be ending this afternoon around 12. If you still want to take advantage of it, I think that's what I'll just talk about right now and end the live stream while I wait for the opportunity to take advantage of this trade upon confirmation. So the discount is still going to be active till 12 this afternoon, where our group mentorship for my existing students is going for $40 instead of 50, and for one-on-one 10% discount is what I said I'm giving. I think I said I'm giving a 10% discount on one-on-one. Yes. So if you are interested, even if you are paying for the one-on-one mentorship, you can actually, since there's a discount going on, you can deposit, like make part of the deposit. Of course, class will start immediately you finish your payment, so you can deposit so that you can lock in that discount, so you know that this is the amount you are paying next. Okay, just for you to take advantage of the discount on the one-on-one mentorship. For the signal channel, for the group mentorship, just the payment is just right away. The $40 is just right away. So if you want to pay for the signal channel copy trading, the thing is that the signal channel, I will make a note of. Okay, so that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions so far? If there's no question, we can end it right here. If there's no question, we can end it right here. Okay, if you don't have any question, let me just say bye in the chat box. Let's call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your you're showing up every day, and I believe we're growing, and we're growing pretty fast. Okay, and our success is very, very certain by the grace of God Almighty. So thank you for your time. See you on Monday. Yes, by the grace of God. See you guys on Monday for another episode of Trade Life with Diamond Aridoh. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you. You're welcome. Okay. With the way DJ is doing, DJ has not given confirmation yet, so no go and enter. Me at the monitor.